Exciting.
Challenging.
Amazing.
Fulfillment.
Exciting.
Rewarding.
Challenging.
Always respected.
Respected.
Proud.
Respect.
Proud.
Fantastic. The father of engineer is Sir M. Visheshwaraya. He is my inspiration to become an engineer, and moreover, engineers can do miracle. Engineers are in all the fields that make me to do the engineering.
So honestly speaking, I had no plans to be an engineer. Just I didn't get seat for medicine, so I converted it to the stream of engineering. But the thing is, I never wanted to go for the mainstream courses like mechanical, civil and all. I loved chemistry from school time onwards, so I chose the different brand, polymer technology.
It is because of my dad, and in my childhood I got ample of opportunity seeing the technology, being my dad an engineer, so I was driven by technology. And the second thing was curiosity. I always wanted to see why it has been done like this. So that was my main criteria or the trigger point that I became an engineer.
See, first of all, I would like to ask a question that how a civil engineer and a non-civil engineer can be differentiated. Like, non-civil engineer is like where the small-time contractor or maybe even a labor can come into that category. So, civil engineer and a non-civil engineer, always when the building is stood, they know why the building is stood. I mean, it is in a very good condition, but when the building collapses, only a civil engineer will understand by analyzing the failure. So that made me to become a civil engineer. So that's how I take that pride to be a civil engineer.
See, in engineer, it's important, solving complex problems and offering solutions is what made me an engineer. Of course, my dad was an engineer, so I've been growing, watching him going to mines and very large machines, huge machines were, it's totally fascinating. So that motivated me to become an engineer.
When it comes to becoming an engineer, I was always fascinated to know how these things work. It all started with automobiles, like learning how the vehicle work and all those things. That fueled me to know more about the technology, how all these things work and all. And that's what fueled me to join engineering. And I also believe that this is one field which actually gives innovative solution to the problems around us, and that also finally makes our life easier.
I'm more very much initiator and quick learner to drive the show, whatever we are taking a call. That made me to be an engineer.
I would say, please ensure that you follow the standards first and be quality conscious in the work that you carry out, and see that the technology and the performance are proven when you start using your products in any of the projects.
I can give only one advice to all the engineers, or not only our department, every department, that they can learn their subject perfectly, because the subject they must learn in such a way that they will going to future expert in their field. Otherwise, that will be a problematic for future endeavor.